The person you're seeing, you and someone famous. Something you miss but don't want to admit. Your ex. When you first moved in with Olivia. You and Ben. You very, very, very drunk. You heartbroken. The last photo in your camera roll. Obviously the last photo in my camera roll are just all screen. When I die, pickle my body in matcha. Please. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Woo! Yay! Today I'm going to be doing the show me a photo of video. I'm sure you guys have seen every single Instagrammer and their mum and their dog and their dog's please post a story with the little question box of show me a photo of. And I know people come to hate, you know, jump on the bandwagon, hating everyone who follows the same trend, but I really enjoy them. I really enjoy them. I've also seen it creep over from Instagram onto our little baby YouTube, so I thought I would hop on the trend and show you some interesting and equally terrifying photos. Yay! I also made a conscious effort to take all the hairbands off my wrist before filming this video. Honestly, at this point, I will be buried with hairbands on my wrist.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be pickled in matcha with hairbands on my wrist. Very on brand. Ah, this one's cute. Your mum and dad when they were your age. Here is Emma and Howard back in the day. In fact, let me tell you their love story. I'm one of those people, I want to know my parents' entire story time of how they met. I want to see her wedding dress. I want to try it on. I want to try on her wedding rings. I want to know everything. I know the whole engagement story. I know the ring. I know how the ring came about. I'm always baffled when children don't know about their parents' marriage and relationship because I feel like I literally know everything about mine. It's very fascinating to me. My mum and dad actually met on holiday in Greece, but then they found out that they lived literally on the same road back in London. Yeah. So break up your boyfriend and go to Greece. Actually, don't do that. A night out gone wrong, right? Let me... Sorry, really gross. Right, let me have a scroll. I hate to just regurgitate a story, but honestly, the night of the lift, which was this night here in question, I think has probably got to be one of our most unsuccessful / successful. I think the situation that Hackman can be viewed in two ways. I'm gonna say successful because I'm all about positivity on this channel, but scary, very, very scary. Basically, to conclude that night, both Olivia and I passed out in separate places in our apartment building. Olivia's preferred place of rest was the lift. Mine was a random hallway. Our concierge found us on the floor. Pretty fresh to moving in. I nearly dropped some of my matcha. Your ex. I would never usually put a picture of an ex on screen, but it's literally so civil. Like, there is absolutely no bad blood, so I don't mind. I don't think he would mind. A lot of you guys knew who he was, so no. I just need to literally shut up and move on. Not like move. I literally dig myself in a hole. I also actually get questions being like, are you... Sorry, I've literally got matcha dripping everywhere. Like, are you and your ex getting back together? And I really don't know where people are getting this from. No, we're not. Once again, just the emphasize, no problems there, but we're just not we're not back together. It's never been a thing. I'm really uncomfortable. I don't like talking about this stuff, if you couldn't tell. So I'm moving on. Thank you. You heartbroken. Lockdown 1 was hard, man. It was hard. You and Ben. Ugh, love him, miss him. Loving his face, missing him. From London. I can't do that too far because I haven't shaved my armpits in a couple of days and I just don't even want to see myself, to be honest. You very, very, very drunk. I don't even know what I'm going to insert here. Flossie, get yourself together. You are a mess. Grow up. But stay young, stay fun. I love it. When you first moved in with Olivia, this photo was literally taken, I think, our first full day of living together. It was so much fun. Honestly, like, moving here with Olivia and obviously, well, I kind of always want to say like moving here with Olivia and Lewis because we basically live together, has been the best decision of my life. I've literally never been so happy and met my two bestest friends ever. And we're not a soppy friendship group at all. Like, we don't do affection, but I just... my little heart could burst. Your prom. I am that girl. Any excuse to get a picture of my prom up and I am there. My prom dress was very much a prom dress, but I have so much love for her. She embodies everything that Flossie was. Absolutely love her. Stunning. You killed it and you survived school. Something you miss but don't want to admit. And it's been really present the last few days. I don't know what it is, but the last few days it is all that has been on my mind. All I want is a cream cheese smoked salmon bagel. I don't know why. Your room. Now. Fine, I'll give you a room tour. Here we go. Here is my door, and then when you first come in, you've got a lovely made bed, and the rest, as we would expect, absolute chaos. We have got a nice cracked phone on the floor, a pair of sunglasses, a really gross retainer, which I just, retainers are honestly really scary. Even my own retainer scares me. Fun fact, I have to wear a retainer because I go like this in my sleep, which is why my teeth are all weird, and they're also green from the matcha. Ugh. Then you come over here, and once again, guess what? I've got even more mess. I've got my passport because I lost my ID, so I have to take my passport everywhere. How scary. All my sunglasses. I've been really getting into sunglasses recently. Wow, you are actually getting a full room tour, 2 videos in one. Don't say I don't spoil you. I got a few bits and bobs. This is where I keep all my makeup, in these 2 drawers, and then I just stuffed all the rubbish that I need to throw away behind here. Shh, don't tell Mum. You come over from my drawers and you got this beautiful mirror and a beautiful girl in it and a beautiful outfit. Don't be jealous. This is honestly, every single YouTuber will relate. Cute top, ugly bottoms. We're not going to talk about it. Bowl of milk from my depression cereal last night. Nice. A nice little pair of eyelashes with loads of hair from my head attached to it. An inhaler because I am asthmatic. And it's not funny. Lewis, I'm looking at you. Lewis refuses to believe I have asthma because I don't carry my inhaler around with me, but yeah, I probably should carry it around with me if I do have asthma, actually. I've got this cute little like mango wood thing. I've obviously got my bed here, and then I've got windows out here and dirty washing behind there, which I need to sort out, but that is a problem for another day. Your girl's on a tight time schedule, and that was my room tour. Hope you enjoyed. I'm a Clegg. And of course, Howard Clegg. And you know what? Why not have one of them together? Wow. Relationship goals, am I right? You after a long night. I don't even want to tell you at what time in the morning that was taken. Your current boyfriend. Hit me where it hurts, baby. You and someone famous. Who is the most famous person I've ever met? He is verified on Instagram, and I don't know if you saw the number of TikTok awards this man won. Your bum. Juicy enough. Was there any need? Prime listening to driver's license. The person you're seeing. Sorry, enough. Okay, I'll stop. Something you're scared of. Honestly, really scary. If you enjoy this, please refrain from ever contacting me. A lot of what I remember from my childhood is developing a hatred for this thing and realizing just, this is not nice. Your tan, fine if you insist. If you're begging me to show a picture of my summer Ibiza tan, I will put one up. You know, don't say I don't do anything for you. Your wee feet. Girl, have you seen my feet? My feet are actually quite large. I'm 5'3" and I have size 7 feet. And I don't feel like size 7 feet are big on a girl, but on like my height, I feel like they are quite big. But then people don't often look at me and think,
Fucking hell, that's huge.
and I would really hope they wouldn't as well. But I do actually have quite big feet. So I have a picture of my big feet. Not in shoes, because that's really scary. Who you last smooched? Oh, good morning, baby. Kisses. The last photo in your camera roll. Obviously, the last photo in my camera roll are just all screen. Good. This is really not good. I promise. I'm literally fine. I just had one day yesterday. I just had a lot built up, and she just needed to come out. And she had a day to come out, and I'm back tip-top form this morning. Stop snapping, it's really annoying. But here is the last photo with my Mum, if you're watching this, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Bruh, I'm fine. Okay, the 14th of the 2nd, 2020. So that is Valentine's Day, and I did in fact have a boyfriend on Valentine's Day. Oh my god, yeah, we went to Universal Studios Osaka that day, so I'll insert like a little video. Miss Japan. If you didn't know, I did go to Japan. Yeah. Honestly, if you just want to unsubscribe after this, I'm not even gonna be mad. Show a photo of you at your happiest. Like if you just threw up, because I think I did too. But honestly, right now, I think in general life, I'm definitely at my happiest. You know, it's so weird because we're literally in a lockdown. Like, can't leave the house, can't do anything. My birthday's cancelled, all that stuff, other stuff going on that is not, ideal in my life. But I just honestly, being around good people and like my best friends all the time, I just can't really get sad because it's like I've constantly got laughter and like happiness around me. So I'd honestly say right now, like this second, I've got nothing. Actually, I've got a couple things to be sad about, but I'm going to talk about this. I got a mattress in my hand. I ordered some black masks from Amazon because I thought they look cooler. The dishwasher is on. I got a massive Amazon package full of the most pointless stuff that I don't need yesterday. And my new lockdown hobby has been Amazon, just going on Amazon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like maybe it connected us a little bit more. It's like, you know, more of a mutual exchange. You're getting something from me, I'm giving something to you, and you're learning more. Maybe. I don't know. I actually really don't know. I really hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It was a little bit of fun. I've definitely had so much fun filming it. Yeah, it's like a child in there. I love you all so much. I hope you're all keeping well and safe, and I will see you all very, very soon. Put the match down, Flossie. Bye! Do you know what? Let's have a hug. What does Emma Chamberlain do? Forehead kiss. Wait, how do you forehead kiss? How do you forehead kiss? How does she forehead kiss? On a camera? Is that it? No, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go. Really, really uncomfortable now. Okay, love you. Bye.